Hey everyone, it's been a while. Um, just been mad busy with work and creating this new game that I'm working on with my girlfriend as well, which kind of a sci-fi horror fantasy thing. So yeah, that's kind of been keeping me busy. But I'm gonna try to get back to doing some YouTube tutorials. Um, yeah, but I wanted to do a bit of a personal shill. Uh, so I hope you don't mind. I have a while ago I set up a drive-through stock art shop to sell stock art for RPGs, etc. Um, uh, Rob Necronomicon, obviously, there being the publisher. Um, I'm going to put up quite at the moment. I think it's 143 files. Um, so I'm going to be adding to that as much as I can. Quite a few very varied pieces. So if any of you guys are interested in some stock art, let me know. Or if you're interested in some custom stuff, let me know as well. You know, a lot of it depends on time, etc. Yeah, so you know, do quite a bit of stuff. Here's one based on Ragnar-ish. Hi Ragnar. Yeah, so it's been fun working on this. So yeah, if you get a chance, it'd be great if you could check it out. Feel free to purchase anything if you wanted, or if you could share it, that would be really, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks very much. And I think I'll be doing another tutorial after this. So speak soon. Thanks.